Hello, guys. Welcome in. Welcome. Why do my pores have to be so big? Welcome in, guys. My eyebrows are doing that so bad again. Oh. It's like when I mirror the camera, they look so much worse. They look so off. Okay, hold on. I gotta fix them. Let me fix my mirrored thing back. Dang it! I need to bring a mirror down here. Good afternoon. What's up? Oh my gosh. It's this eyebrow that's giving me such an issue. What is wrong with it? Over to the front. Touch your toes. Sorry, guys. This will drive me crazy. I see a little. Why is there glitter already in my eyebrow? How's that happening? Let me mirror it back again. That didn't help any. It's worse. What is wrong lately? Like, this is so weird. It never did this before. I've never had this issue. Get up in here again with me. This eyebrow is just too high. Up close and personal, Tammy. Get up in here. Let's figure this out. Thank you. Aw, look. I'm getting crow's feet. Oh, I feel it a little bit. It is the NYX Lift and Snatch. I like ash brown. I need to turn it around. I like a lot of them. I do like the new one pretty good. The Christmas one. Well, no, let's see. What is my favorite? Oh my gosh, guys. Like, I need to go upstairs and just redo this whole eyebrow, okay? The pink that you see is mainly that Miha, but you just have to use a little bit of it. I think Breezeberry might be my favorite. There's so many. Tropsicle too, though, is up there. It is up there. I don't know why I'm messing with this because I didn't need to mess with the inner sides of it, okay? It was good. Like, why did I just put that big dark? Oh my gosh, I don't have a spoilie down here. I need a spoilie to help with this. Okay, I screwed this up. So let's fix it back. This one is too new. I think this pen is. I hate that because it's harder to use. Okay, hold on. I don't know if we'll be able to fix these brows, guys. Not in this camera. Not in here. Shiitake. Not with you guys watching me. I can't do this. Not with you watching me. They're so off. And it's so aggravating. That will drive me crazy because they're really bad. And in my mirror, they looked so good. My mirror has been lying to me lately. Lying. Like, I should be able to tell because none of this is like, this is too thick. It's not good. I'm going to take an eyebrow off and redo it. Oh, no wonder I'm having such a hard time. It's like leaking everywhere. What is happening to my brow pen? Something happened. It leaked all over the desk. I need to get it off my face first. Yeah, I know, but then as soon as I mirror it, it doesn't look good. And I don't have a spoilie down here. I need to go grab one real quick so I can fix all this. Oh, what's up, Connor? Oh, my shit on me. It's just getting worse and worse. Oh, it's not happening, friends. I have to go fix my eyebrow and come back on. I gotta fix my eyebrow. I don't have any eyebrows. You want to see? None. I'll show you in just a second. What'd you do that for?
Just shake my sideburns down. Look over action a couple of days. Try and get some of that because it's.
You got a mirror in there?
It grows short hair all the way down like this.
Do you have a mirror?
Yes.
Can I see it? I have a brush cleaner. That could work as a spoolie. Oh, what's up, Maria? Witches. Oh, but then I'm gonna mess up my makeup. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I have no eyebrows. Watch. Watch. I don't have much. I don't have much of an eyebrow. Look at that. Look how much different it looks. Look at this. Look how much different. Like, I don't have an eyebrow. This pen is leaking everywhere. I don't have any eyebrows. Seriously. Like, I don't have any. Like, I've never plucked them a lot either. I just don't have any. And they're really light. I do have some there, but they're super light. Look at you this thing. Don't. Don't look at me now. Don't look at me now. It's, I just use this NYX lift and snatch. That's it. Oh my gosh, let's try to fix this, okay? You have to use just the tip. Just the tip, okay? And you can't breathe when you do it, okay? You can't breathe. You gotta hold it. Hold your breath as good as possible. Can't talk for sure. I could never do an eyebrow tutorial. And I usually use a spoolie too because it helps, like, if you get too much, it helps with that. Like, to make it look more natural. Go straight, please. Let me breathe for a second. Let me breathe for 1 second. Use it to color her face. Oh my gosh. No. I just try to follow my eyebrows, really. Like my little sparse hairs. They're there. There's just not very many of them. So, but I shouldn't do that because my eyebrows are so different shapes. And when she threaded my eyebrows, like, she screwed up the shape of my eyebrows big time. So it's been really, really difficult to do my eyebrows. Because not only did she take it off, oh, my eyeshadow's like gone off the side now too. How you like it, apples? I think I could blend it with my finger. Good enough. I need to run upstairs for a minute. No, you didn't miss a makeup tutorial. I had to fix my eyebrow. I had to take this one off completely. I screwed it all the way up. I screwed it up. It was so off. And then see how bad it is? It's so different. This is aggravating. I can't stare at myself for hours like that. I just can't. Yeah, I slept later today than I expected, but I needed it. I was going to come on earlier. But I'm trying to get sick, so I need to get rest. I don't feel any worse than I did yesterday, though. So that's good. Oh my gosh, I keep going down and I shouldn't be. Right there. Like, a spoolie will help lighten it a little, but guys, like, it is so off. It's getting a little better, right? You have to connect these. I'm trying to put it where you guys can see still. I just need to make this other eye like more even to this eye. I don't care if it's a little off. It'll be okay. Let me mirror it again. Oh my gosh. I'm going to work in non-mirrored here in a minute. Why is it so bad when you mirror it? Why is it so bad? Why is this eye going up so much when I do that? It doesn't look that bad like this when I'm looking at it in this mirror. Why does it look so slanted? Like, why is it doing that? I've never, ever, ever had this issue until the last like 2 lives. Hey, I just keep my head tilted. I can work like this. Oh, it looks like the front is way off, but it doesn't look like that when I do this, does it? Not as bad. And then when I flip it, boom, I couldn't dry my hair. My Dyson quit working. My air wrap. Hold on, I think my little thingy's getting a whole bunch of stuff on it again. It is. This pen is messed up. It's been sitting down here too long. Uh-oh. See how dark it's getting? Too much of it. I know. Wasn't that rude? Just why? We just took them off. It's horrible, Kelly. You don't want to do that. Especially with the rest of my makeup on. It just looks funny. Now, sometimes I will just take some eyeshadow and like make my eyebrows a little darker. Now, this looks way off to me now. Oh, hold on. Is this still mirrored? Yeah, because 18's right. Something is so off. Can we blame it on the camera? Oh my gosh. No one likes doing makeup. I hate it. Wish I didn't have to wear it. What the hell? It's leaking everywhere. I have to go. Probably need to go grab my makeup and grab my other pen. I didn't put it back in the bag though. I can't operate like this. My whole face is crooked now. The whole face is crooked. Just look at. It's leaking everywhere. Oh my gosh. It's still leaking? Like, where did that big drop come from? I better get it off my desk real quick. Hold on. It's on my shirt! No. Oh, yeah, it is. I was like, oh, no, that's my shirt. But that is it, I think. Hold on. Oh, no. No, that's the shirt. That's the shirt. Oh, my gosh. It's like this one's straight. And I've got this one curved. But this one's going to be too high. Look, I told you guys it wouldn't be live till 4. I need to take a break and come back. Oh. I'm gonna hop right back on. Let me go upstairs really quick and fix this eyebrow because it's gonna drive me insane the whole live. I'll be right back, okay?